This is my cat Chloe, who's been on tablets for the last few days, and she's got tablets to finish this week as she's had fluid on the lung for coughing, and she's doing a lot better now, and she's 4 years old. And you, so she's doing much better. And this is Coda. He's had conjunctivitis this year. I've treated that with golden eye cream, and recently he had a really bad nosebleed, but everything seems to be okay with him. So he's just chilling out as usual with his little toys. This is TJ, his rabbit. My boyfriend bought him that the other day, and his favourite bunny. And my neighbour is drilling, very busy putting in a new kitchen. So that's Coda. He's coming up to 12 years old now on 22nd of April, which is the same as my boyfriend. So that's it really. Okay, go. Yeah.